Hi guys, Fred Zent here, Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Arctic Fox 865. Come on in, I'm going to show you this truck camper. When you come in here, you got your Fox landing steps, you got your power awning, full access to the roof. Right here you have your side-by-side dinette that actually folds down to a bed. Got storage above the dinette. In the galley here you have a nice deep stainless steel sink, little residential faucet, cupboards above, and then you have 3 full extending drawers. Got your microwave oven with a 3-burner cooktop. It's got a hood combo. And then your oven, your 2-door refrigerator, then your bathroom. You got a wet bath. It's an all-in-one with a fantastic fan in the bathroom. And then you walk up into the overcab part, and that's your bed, and there's storage on both sides of the bed. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2019 Arctic Fox 865, give me a call. My name's Fred Zent, 541-729-9500.